Now the last step is give the type of the array as unknown. So each occurrence of double, if that is a type for the element of the array, we need to change it to t. So let's search for, from the beginning, search for double, and if it's the type of the array, then we should give a t. So change that. The set position and the data, so it's a t. In the get, we read the unknown type data t, and the operator square bracket, it's a r value, so it should return unknown type. And then similarly, L value is unknown type as well. Operator plus, we wanna add so here plus is two arrays. Now we are going to add unknown type, that specific value for each element in the array. So that's a t. And the non-member function, so unknown data comes and then the array comes there. So let's continue here. So it says array is t, and then double, that is a t, and then set, that is a t, and then get, we are expecting t type, and the operator square bracket t, and the operator plus t, and then double t. So we have changed all of those occurrences. Actually, this is comment part that is also deserve a t type there. So we have converted a double, a specific type, into t unknown type.